Hi, are you tired of using Microsoft Office and its products like Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and so on, and currently looking for some free Office software? So, in this video, I will show you how you can easily download and install LibreOffice software on your Windows machine, and finally, we will uninstall Microsoft Word from this Windows machine. Alright, let's roll the intro and then get started. To download this software, open your favorite browser and simply search for LibreOffice.org. And you will be landed on this beautiful website. To download LibreOffice, click on download, and here you will see bunch of options. You need to click on download LibreOffice, the first one. Let's go for this latest version, LibreOffice 7.1.4, and here you will choose your operating system. By default it's Windows 64, and if you click on this drop down, you will see other options like Linux, Debian, Linux RPM, macOS, Windows 32, Windows 64. So my machine is a Windows 64-bit architecture, so I will select this and click download, and it will download my LibreOffice. You can see here. Let's wait for a few seconds. Alright, download is completed. Now we can go to show in folder option, and yes, right click on this and click install. Alright, this is the installation wizard. Click next. Select typical or custom. Let it be the default, which is typical. Click next. Now here it's asking to create a shortcut on desktop. I don't want this desktop shortcut, so I just simply unselect this. And the second option is load LibreOffice during system startup. So let it be unchecked. Click install. So this will start the installation. Yeah, it's asking me, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click on yes. Alright, the installation wizard completed. So this means this machine now have LibreOffice with version 7.14.2. Now let's simply click finish. Now here come the last part, in which we will move ahead and uninstall Microsoft Office from this Windows machine. So I open my control panel, go to uninstall a program, find MS Office. Yeah, here it is, Microsoft Office. Double click, continue. It's asking me, do you want to allow this app to make changes? Click yes, and it's prompting ready to uninstall. Yeah, definitely. Alright, now you can see done uninstalling. We have successfully removed Office from your computer. We can close this, and yeah, now MS Office is gone from the system. Perfect. That's all in this video. I hope you like it. Share with your friends and tell them about this beautiful free Office software, which is LibreOffice. Like this video and do subscribe to Educators.